welcome back to my channel. I am Chakraborty and now we're watching Infodai Micro. So today I will make the paper potts rescue suit from Avengers Endgame. It is made fully cardboard. So how it make, let's see. And to make the paper potts rescue armor from Avengers Endgame, I have cut this type of two pieces and already made this type of two hands. Now I fixed it like this. Friends, I have fixed the hands and cover all the gaps and create a hole for the head. And now I fixed his leg. Already made this type of two legs. Now I join. Friends, my leg is fixed. Now I fixed its head. Friends, this is the head. You can see it. Friends, its head is fixed. Now I fixed its other weapons. But friends, first I have to set its design. But its designs are fixed. Now I fixed its weapons. This is its weapons. Are fixed. Now I fix these are helps to fly the suit, and this is fixed like this. Friends, now my paper potts rescue suit is fully ready. Time for paint. Friends, now my paper potts is fully ready and it is fully painted. Now it's time for play. Friends, if you don't see this video, how to make Iron Man, link in description and I button. Please watch this video. So please like my video, share and don't forget to subscribe my